Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rise English. My name is Preeti. I am from UP. Today I talk to you on the topic of how to avoid your obstacle when you speak in English. That is the right channel for you. If you want to speak in English, then you are join my YouTube channel Rise English. Yeah, many people disturb you, like your family members disturb you, but doesn't matter. It is an obstacle when you speak in English. Yeah, you will step first. You take a step, and yeah, it doesn't matter. The people disturb you, and yeah, you speak a step, then you will see the improve your English. Then many people are disturbing your background areas, make a noise, and you can't make a video in proper way. Then yeah, it is a part of when you as a learner, and you can see it's happened every people. If you are going to attention this obstacle, then you can't improve your skill. Then you remove this obstacle, and you can focus and hold your mind focus on your goals. Then you achieve your goals. Yeah, that is a fear of fear and part of agitation when you speak. And yeah, that is don't carefully. First you are start thinking, and you speak any topic, take any topic you speak. First you're in your mind, what is your coming in your mind. Then you are speak in you are make a structure. First is mistake, first is you can do a structure mind. Then you are speak, and one, two, three. Then you are speak very carefully, like if you want to a perfect speaker, then you are first you are listen, and second you are reading, and second you are writing, then you are speaking. That is a part bullet point in your speaking as a learner. These are four techniques when you speak in then you are speaking English. Yeah, that is a more technique, but today I will tell you four technique: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. These are my technique, and yeah, I follow every day I do. And today I will share you my own journey when I speak, starting when I speak in English in my classroom, when I study in coaching. Then my teachers say that my teachers create a conversation session. Then in that time when my classmate says very speak very politely and smoothly, but when the teachers say me you stand and speak in English, in that time I feel very hesitation and very fear what I speak in English, and what when I mistake, then in that time I feel very hesitant and fear and full of shyness. And yeah, but it's and that time I will come in my home. In that time I will cry why I'm not speaking English. In that time I will decided I have practiced more than practice in English speaking. Yeah, I have more than practice than 1-2 weeks. I have many words to collect it and make more sentences, like affirmative sentences, negative sentences, and interrogative sentences. I have a lot of make sentences and improve a little bit my speaking as a learner. Yeah, that is a part of learning. And I in 2 and 3 weeks I will first my teachers then again make a create a session in conversation. In that time I will stand, and first I stuck on my mind, and my mind is going a blank side. In that time I will take a breath and speak very smoothly and politely. Then I will speak in small words, and in that time I will make a bullet and structure in my mind, and what I learn, what I write, and yeah, I speak very smoothly and very politely. Then I complete my conversation session. Then my teacher say that you can improve, you also improve your English. You will practice day by day, you can improve your English. Yeah, it's in that time I feel very confident. Yeah, if you are practice, then you are feel very confident. If you are not do practice, then you feel very demotivated and and feel very disappointed. And second journey, why I am learning English. I will share a journey, my own journey, why I am learn English. I will share you. And I have studied in my ITI college. Then in that time, teachers take a group discussion in English, and they will try to speak in English. In that time, a girls speak in English with me. In that time, she say, please put your pen on the table. On the table. In that time, I'm not listen very carefully. In that time, I say that I can't hear. So in that time, she laughed at me. In that time, I feel very shy, and yeah, in my classroom, whole my classmate laughed at me, and I feel very disappointed. And in that time, I will decided one day I speak in English. Yeah, in that days, I will try to collect my knowledge, and I will try to speak in English. And that is my journey, why I'm learning English. Yeah, that is a I told you personally say that English is very important to speaking as a learner, as a student, as a family member, as a appearing in a job. Yeah, that is the most important. I will tell you one story why you need English speaking. I will say you. One A person is no English, and second person and B is no that English speaking, no more speaking. And for first A person is speaking English, and both they are going to a hospital, and A person is one who knows English, and the person is take with with his family, and he treatment it proper way, and he talk with doctors, because the doctor and nurse is also speak in English, and many words uses in English. In that time, people A is perfectly speak and understand in English very carefully. And in that time, a person is completely this work and complete this treatment in his family and medicine, and he also understand what medicine need this, and yeah, this is properly understand and proper do. They are complete her medicine and treatment, and they will go at home. And P person is who know that English, they are not treatment in perfectly, because he is not English, he is no understand in English, because many doctor and nurse have many words in English, and they are not understand what medicine this needed, and he is not perfectly treatment in his family. In that time, he goes away he goes away at home and feel its money is wasted, because he is not understand English, and he is not perfectly treatment in his family. In that time, I will suggest you need English as a family member. If you are do any work in perfectly, I understand meaningful words, you can understand perfectly. As a family member, you need English. So why I say that English is not important? I say that only one English is important. Yeah, if you are learn English, then you are face many circumstances in very easily face you, and yeah, English is important. That is very important. Yeah, today is very complete this our session, so I complete this today. If you learn, don't forget like, share and subscribe. Okay.